Alrighty guys, so this is called a horse stance dynamic. If you have followed me for a while, you might be thinking, Andrew, this isn't an exercise, this is a zone exercise, because there is a very slow, calm, controlled breathing variation of this. This is not that variation. So, similar to all the other horse stance exercises, you're gonna come here. You might notice that I don't have a stack of plates in front of me and I don't have a broomstick handle either. So what you're gonna do is try and come down to, to parallel with the floor. Keep the spine neutral, so treat it as if there is still that pull across your back. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna reach out, pull the belly button in first, reach out, and you can do pull just to where the elbow and knee touch each other, or you can pull them past that. So it's really flexing the spine. So if you've got any kind of spinal pathology, if you've got disc pathologies going on, don't do this. So you're going to reach out, pull in, and pull the belly button inward. Reach out. When you're doing these, it is important that you don't overextend. So just only come to that parallel with the floor point. And if you really want to get the core engaged on that, make sure every single time you bring the elbow and the knee together, pull the tummy in as much as you can. So give that a try, guys. And until next time, my name is Andrew with Pride Movement Fitness. See you later.